we have our last lesson today. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. So, hello everyone. My name is Patricia Japardi. I'm from Indonesia, and I'm just transferred from Shoreline. This is my junior year in Seattle University, and I'm majoring in accounting. So, today I'm gonna teach you guys about Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, so let's begin by knowing that all of the alphabet in Indonesia are the same with English alphabet, and then so A to Z is all the same, and then there's some pronunciations of the consonant, which is like A, E, I, O, U, I, Au, Oi, and then there are 4 diagraphs, which is Eng, Nye, Ka, and Sia. So I'm gonna begin by telling you guys a little bit how do we say numbers in Indonesia. So 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 6, 7 is 7, 8 is 8, 9 is 9, 10 is 10, and then 20 is 20, 21 is 21, 22 is 22, 30 is 30. And then for millions, we say 1 million as 1 juta, 1 billion as 1 miliar, 1 trillion is 1 trillion. So for the millions is not much different with English ones. And then now I'm gonna teach you guys how do you say days in Indonesia. So for Monday, we say it Senin. And then for Tuesday, we say it Selasa. And then for Wednesday, we say it Rabu. For Thursday, we say it Kamis. For Friday, we say it Jumat. For Saturday, we say it Sabtu. And for Sunday, we say it Minggu. And moving on, for months, for January, we're gonna say Januari. So not much different. February, Februari. March, Maret. April, April. May, May. June, Juni. July, Juli. August, Agustus. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. So moving on again, I'm gonna teach you guys the basic thing in Indonesian. Like let's say, me is aku, you is kamu, them is mereka, us or we say it kita, he or she we say it dia, love we say it cinta or sayang, who is siapa, how is bagaimana, why is kenapa, when is kapan, what is apa, news is kabar, and is dan, enough is cukup, more is lagi, big is besar, small is kecil, fat is gendut, thin is kurus, beautiful is cantik, ugly is jelek, man is pria, woman is wanita, sir is bapak, madam is ibu, children is anak, parents is orang tua, thanks is terima kasih, fruit is buah, heart is hati, police is polisi, ambulance is ambulan, sick is sakit, and time is waktu. So now that we know a little bit about Indonesia, like the numbers, days, month of the year, and some basics like you, me, I, like that. So I'm gonna teach a little bit how to use the Indonesian phrases. So we say hello, hi, like that. in general greeting, we say apa kabar. And then on the phone, people say hello. They say hello. And then usually people will like, hello, how are you? And then in Indonesian, we say, hello, apa kabar? And then to reply that, we usually reply like this. Baik-baik saja, terima kasih. Bagaimana dengan Anda? And then let's say if someone doesn't see you for a long time, they will say like this. Oh, sudah lama tidak berjumpa. Or, sudah lama tidak bertemu. And then if you want to ask someone who is her name or who is his name, you're gonna say, siapa nama Anda? And then you're gonna reply it like this. Nama saya Patricia. Where are you from? Anda berasal dari mana? Well, I'm from, saya dari Indonesia. And then when you reply again, when you wanna say, I'm pleased to meet you, and then you'll reply like this. Senang bertemu dengan Anda. So for good morning, we say selamat pagi. Good afternoon, selamat siang. Good evening, selamat sore. And for good night, selamat malam. For saying goodbye, there's 3 ways for saying goodbye. Like the people usually use sampai jumpa lagi. But then there's 2 others, which is selamat tinggal. And then you say that when you're leaving. But let's say we go somewhere abroad and someone send us in the airport. And then they will say like, selamat jalan. It's like safe trip like that. And then for good luck, we say semoga beruntung. And then to say have a nice day, we say hari baik. Have a nice meal, selamat makan. And then have a good journey, selamat jalan. Or semoga selamat sampai tujuan. When you say I understand, we'll say it saya mengerti. So saya means I, by the way, if you forgot. And then I don't understand means saya tidak mengerti. And if people are speaking too fast, so we'll say tolong. Tolong means help, like something like that. Or please, like that. Tolong bicara pelan sedikit. So bicara is speaking, pelan is slowly, sedikit is a little bit. And then if you want to ask someone to write down something, you will say tolong. Tolong is please, ditulis, please write. So tolong ditulis. And then when you ask someone, do you speak English? And then you will ask them like this. Anda bisa bicara bahasa Inggris? Or do you speak Indonesian? Anda bisa bicara bahasa Indonesia? So bicara once again means speaking. And then yes a little, yeah sedikit. So and then if you want to ask like this, how do you say in Indonesian? Bagaimana, how, cara, mengatakan dalam bahasa Indonesia. And then when you want to say excuse me, we'll say maaf. If you want to ask how much the price of something, you'll say berapa harganya. Harga means price. Sorry, maafkan saya, or maaf. Thank you, terima kasih banyak, or makasih. So 3 of them are the same. If terima kasih is just normal one, terima kasih banyak means you really thank that person, and makasih is just like okay, makasih. And then to reply to thank you, you will usually say kembali or sama-sama or dengan senang hati. Dengan senang hati is like my pleasure or something like that. And then when you want to ask where's the toilet, you'll say di manakah toilet? So toilet is the same, it's a common thing. Everyone in the world use it, I think. And then or you can ask like this. Di manakah kamar mandi? Mana is like where. And kamar is room, mandi is actually shower, but we say kamar mandi is a place to do that. Or di manakah WC? And then if someone's paying for us like this gentleman will pay for everything. It's like this. Bapak ini, gentleman, akan membayar, will pay, semuanya means everything. Or this lady will pay for everything. Ibu ini akan membayar semuanya. When you wanna ask someone to dance with you in Indonesian, you'll ask like this. Bersediakah Anda berdansa dengan saya? So berdansa is dancing, dengan is with. And then once again, saya is me, like I, like that. And when you miss someone, you'll say this. Saya rindu kamu, or saya kangen kamu, or aku rindu kamu. Like for me and my friends, and many youth Indonesian, we usually say kangen kamu, like that. So kangen means you miss something, missing. And then I think I already say what's I love you. I love you is aku cinta kamu, saya cinta kamu, or saya mencintaimu. And get well soon in Indonesian is semoga lekas sembuh. Sembuh is like get well soon. And then when you wanna shoo someone or ask them to go away, you gotta say pergi sana, like that. Pergi means go. And then when you wanna say leave me alone, you'll say biarkan saya sendiri, or tinggalkan saya sendiri. And when you need help, you'll say tolong. And when there's a fire, you say kebakaran. And for stop, in Indonesian also stop or berhenti. And then for calling the police, you'll say panggil polisi. And then Christmas and New Year greetings is like this. Selamat Hari Natal dan Tahun Baru. So usually on December at the end of the year, people usually give greeting cards. And the greeting cards will say like Selamat Hari Natal dan Tahun Baru. Christmas and New Year greetings like that. So for Easter greetings, we say Selamat Paskah. For birthday greetings, we say Selamat Ulang Tahun. And I believe one language is never enough. So how to say that is like this. Satu bahasa tidak pernah cukup. So tidak pernah cukup is never enough. Okay, moving on. So I'm gonna read a dialogue of two person named Budi and Santi. So they are old friends and they accidentally bump into each other in a shopping mall. So I'm Budi now. Halo Santi, apa kabar? Halo Budi, baik-baik saja, terima kasih. Bagaimana dengan kamu? So just now Budi just said, hello Santi, how are you? And then Santi replied, hey Budi, I'm fine, thank you. How about you? And then Budi said, baik juga, I'm good. Sudah lama kita tidak bertemu. It's been a long time since I saw you. Iya, aku beberapa minggu ini sedang sibuk dengan pekerjaan sekolah. Yes, I've been busy with school for these few weeks. And then Budi say, oh begitu, oh I see. Kamu sekarang sekolah di mana? So where do you go to school now? And then Santi replied, aku sekarang sekolah di Universitas Indonesia. I'm currently enrolled in the University of Indonesia. Bagaimana dengan kamu? How about you? Budi replied, aku sekarang sekolah di Universitas Trisakti. I'm currently enrolled in the University of Trisakti. And then Santi replied, oh begitu, oh I see. Maaf nih aku lagi buru-buru. Forgive me, but I'm in a hurry. Aku boleh minta nomor telepon kamu biar kapan-kapan kita bisa makan siang sambil cerita tentang hidup kita? Can I have a number so that we could catch up more about life over lunch? And then Budi replied, oh iya, tidak apa-apa. Oh yeah, it's fine. Aku juga mau ketemu temen aku di atas. I'm also going to meet my friend upstairs. Ini nomor aku. This is my number. And then Santi replied, baiklah Budi. Alright Budi. Nanti aku akan telepon kamu. I'll call you later. Sampai jumpa. See you. And then Budi replied, sampai ketemu lagi Santi. See you again Santi. And then now, moving on again. So I'm gonna give you a simple exercise. And so, let's start now. So, how do we say di manakah Budi sekolah? So, where is Budi's schools now? So Budi is going at University of Trisakti in Indonesia. Di manakah Santi sekolah? where is Santi's school now? Will answer, Santi sekarang sekolah di Universitas Indonesia. And then, berapa nomor telepon Budi? What is Budi's phone number? And then, mengapa Santi sangat sibuk? Why is Santi very very busy now? Karena dia banyak tugas sekolah. So tugas means work. Once again, sekolah means school. And then, how do you greet people in Indonesian? It's like this. Halo, apa kabar? And then, how do you say or express your appreciations? You'll say, thank you. Terima kasih banyak. And then, how do you greet someone in the morning? You'll say, selamat pagi. And then, how do you say goodbye to someone at night? Selamat malam. And then, let's say, how do you say, I am 18 years old? You say, umur saya 18 tahun. So, I think that's it for today. Once again, I'm Patricia, and good morning.